Hey, what's up? My name is Henry, and in this one, I want to talk about how to find your why. That purpose, that reason to achieve anything that you're looking to achieve in life, right? It could be real estate, it could be stocks, investing, coming up with wealth, but it could be anything else that you're interested in. How do you find your why? How do you come up with a way to constantly work on something for the long term? So for me, normally people say, how do you go crazy and just get into these interests or passions and do it for years, right? Get to this really, really high level, or you just go in so hard. How do you do it, right? Or it's just my personality. They might just say, hey, that's just you. You always been crazy like that. You just go in and you just dig in hard for years and somehow you keep it going forever. It's just your personality, right? Like, oh, I'm not like that. But I think what I do is I'm able to find my why, right? Find my reason, come up with a vision for what I'm trying to achieve with this one interest, passion, hobby, whatever. So, if it's stuff that's, it's just a hobby, like an interest, like if it's something that's fun, I think that's easy, right? If it's something fun, everybody wants to do it, you can do it forever, right? You have to get people to try to get away from stuff that they're trying to have fun with. So if it's stuff that is actually hard to achieve, not everybody or not a lot of people are able to achieve, that's the stuff I'm talking about, right? How do you get that going forever? So a lot of people have the problem of trying to get to this really high level of something really quickly, right? If you try to do it for 2 months or you get all hyped up, you got the fire, you're trying to do it, trying to learn, and then you give it a good, strong 2 months, maybe. And it didn't really get you where you wanted to go, or it seems like a lot of work, and then you quit. Or it's not possible, or you really want to be good at something today, right? You're not seeing the progress and you quit. So stuff like stocks, you might be really into it in the beginning, you learn some stuff here and there, not really, but then you tried it out, you lost some money, and oh man, it doesn't work, quit. Or you get into real estate and oh man, I have no money, no time, it's so hard, it's so much work, it's so much hassle, quit. Or you're thinking about a business and it's not possible, I don't really have any ideas, it's too much work, quit before you even start. And it could be anything you want to achieve in life. If it's too hard, it takes too much work and effort, determination, you quit. Or you quit before you even start. So this is how I am able to get through all of the things that people normally have to deal with, but somehow I'm able to drive myself to do it for years and dig in so hard, learn everything, dream about it, wake up in the morning with ideas and do a certain thing for the long term. So it takes a lot of different things to execute on an idea, to get really good at something, to achieve anything. But one huge part, before I even get started with anything, I come up with a vision, right? What is this vision for this thing, this passion, this interest that I'm trying to achieve, right? What is the whole purpose and meaning of it, right? I write it down, one sentence. What is the whole point of this? You need that one thing that you can always reference back, that's gonna guide you through all the ups and downs, all the crap that you have to deal with and go through to achieve something. That's how I'm able to do things for years. That's how I'm able to spend hours and hours and hours on one thing. So I'm gonna give you a couple examples. So my life vision, right? I have something that guides me through for my whole life right now. What is it that's driving me to do everything that I'm doing right now? Investing, YouTube even, and even a lot of the other things I'm doing that's part of it, right? It could be my health, my kids, my family. What is it that drives my whole life? So my life vision is to do everything that I can to take care of my family. So that includes investing, right? That's wealth, right? So if I have the assets, I have the cash flow, I can take care of my family financially. But that also includes a lot of other things. That drives me to do everything in my whole life, right? It could be, keeping myself healthy so I can be around for them. It's making time so that I can build relationships. So that's my life vision. Another example is, what is my YouTube vision? Is to inspire someone to change their perspective on finance, life, and success. So it's not just about finance, right? It's not just about real estate. It's not just about stocks. It's not just about any one thing. For me, I'm at the point where I really want to share this whole mindset, right? And how you're able to get to this really, really good point in life that you're so happy and you have everything that you need and your future is so bright. So that's what the whole point of me doing this on YouTube. If I'm just going in trying to get subscribers, trying to get views, trying to make money, this whole thing is not going to work, right? If that was your purpose and that was your vision to try to make money, then after like maybe the first month, the fifth month, the sixth month, if you're not making any money, guess what? You're going to quit. It's not going to be able to drive you and keep you going for the long term. There's no purpose there. That purpose is not strong enough to get you through all the ups and downs or all of the downs, right? Or just all of the, no progress for a while, right? No one really cares about what you have to say. And then how do you get to that point? And if you don't see it, you quit, right? So for me, people might say, oh, come on, man, you want to make money. Come on, who doesn't, right? There's just so much money here. You just want views, you want fame, you want this. I'm telling you that if that was my vision, I wouldn't be doing this right now, right? There's no point. Like there's so many people out here that are doing so well, but then there's so many new people coming in. Who knows who's going to make money? So I'm just here to try to share my knowledge and hopefully inspire someone to kind of do some of the same things or just achieve this level of happiness and success, whatever they're trying to look for in life. I'm not saying I don't want to make any money. Of course, if I get a bigger audience, I could share my ideas with more people, that'd be great, right? And then, if I make some money with it, even better. But I've been really blessed, like the stuff that I've been getting into, the stuff that I've learned, I'm already making so much money outside of this, right? Like I'm already at a really good point with a really bright future. There's a lot of opportunity, a lot of things that can get so much better. I'm already investing like crazy. So right now I'm just trying to use this to share my knowledge, right? Share my ideas while I'm still sharp, right? Just sharing these things, putting it on film, right? And then, documenting it so that I have something to share with my kids. This is something that I'm really interested in. So if I, someday when they care about this stuff, they might or might not watch it, but it's out there. But if not, I still have future generations. I still have everybody that's out there. Whoever one day might watch this stuff and get like inspired, right? Get an idea, right? To change their mindset, to do something different, and they become super successful and happy. I mean, it's already worth it to me. All right, so the whole point of this is to just help you find your why, right? Which is to find and write down that vision, right? The vision which is the whole point and purpose, the whole meaning of you doing any one thing. It could be anything. I applied it to YouTube, applied it to life, apply it to anything that you're trying to achieve, right? And it's gonna really help you to guide you through all the ups and downs, everything that's not working or working. It doesn't matter. You have this meaning behind it that will just drive you through for years. And I'm able to do this stuff like forever and also come up with new passions and interests that I spend time on, but I never lose this one, right? If you had a strong enough purpose, you don't lose it, right? You always have that to draw on. And the thing is with this kind of stuff is when you spend so much time on something, you're gonna learn so much. You can't help it. It's gonna be part of the data banks, right? Stuff that you could draw from that's gonna really help you in a lot of things. So this kind of thinking could really change your life. And it really works. And it's really rewarding too at the end when you look back and you're like, wow, I actually achieved something, actually pushed through. And even if you didn't achieve something, right? You didn't get to the level of success that you thought, but you're gonna learn so much along the way that you're gonna be proud that, hey, I pushed through, I did so much, learned so much. It's a really nice feeling. All right, so let me know what you thought about this. Thanks for watching and good luck out there.